For Chapter 9, Question 11, the question is asking you to calculate the mass volume percent for the solute in each of the following. And that term, mass volume percent, should suggest a formula. The mass, that's measured in grams, of the solute per the volume, that's going to be measured in milliliters, of the solution. So that, and then because it's a percent, you multiply by 100. That will give you the percent mass volume. Okay, so that's suggested by that keyword, mass volume percent. And so as we read this, we're going to be looking for those two things, the grams of solute and the milliliters of solution. So in A, they say you have 75 grams of something in 250 milliliters of solution. Well, 75 is the lower number. It's clearly the solute, so we're going to plug that in here. So we've got that here. We've got 75 grams of solute and then 250 milliliters of solution. We can plug that into the milliliters of solution. So we've got 75 divided by 250, enter, and then times 100, enter. I'm getting 30% mass volume for Na2SO4. So you'd have around 30 grams of Na2SO4 for every 100 milliliters. Okay, for B, it says we have 39 grams of sucrose, that's table sugar, in 355 milliliters of a carbonated drink. And this carbonated drink is not a pure thing. It has a bunch of stuff mixed in it. So it is a solution. Even though they don't use that key word, we can tell that that is a solution because it's not a pure thing. So 39 is the lower number, and that's going to be our solute here, 39. And because we recognized that the other thing is a combination of a bunch of stuff, a carbonated drink, it's not the solvent, rather it is the solution. So we can plug that 355 down there in the bottom. So 39 divided by 355, enter, times 100, enter. I'm getting around 10.99, basically 11% mass volume for sucrose. So that means that you have around 11, or specifically 10.99, grams of sugar, table sugar, sucrose, in every 100 milliliters of solution. And this unit, mass volume percent, is the unit that's usually given on IV bags. So it's a useful unit to know. You want to make sure you know it's grams of solute per milliliters, specifically milliliters of solution.